All right, so I am shooting with an 80D right now, but I am showing you what you can do with the 6D Mark II and the Ronin S. Okay, so let me turn this around. Okay, first, you notice we have the regular cable, which is micro USB, that comes in the Ronin kit, Ronin S kit. Okay, I bought this little adapter, and you plug this in here. It's micro USB female on one end, and then it is mini USB male on the other end, which plugs into the Canon 6D Mark II. So plug that in. Right? So then turn that on. You're gonna get this little message that says like so. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. See if you can read that. Maybe not. Anyway, it basically says press start stop button to prepare for movie shooting. So I'm gonna do that. Now it is prepared for movie shooting. Zoom back out, a little wider angle. Now notice, down here in this area, we have the record button on the Ronin S. Notice right now, there is no record at the top. But when I press this, now there's a record at the top. Did you see that? So, no reason to wait for DJI to come out with a cable. Just get an adapter yourself. Problem solved. So I'm gonna turn it back off. I assume that works for stills as well, but hey. Deuces.